வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ரிவைஸ்டு மாடல் டெஸ்ட் 1 பார்க்க போகிறோம். வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த மாடல் டெஸ்ட் 1ங்கிறது 7th நவம்பர் அன்னைக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணோம். அப்போது பை மிஸ்டேக்கு ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினுக்கும் ஆன்சர் ரெட் மார்க்கில் வந்துடுச்சு. அதனால் இப்போது அதே வீடியோஸுக்காக பார்ட் 1 to 10க்காக ரிவைஸ்டு மாடல் டெஸ்ட் 1 அப்லோட் பண்ணுறோம். இது 300 MCQவில் 100 MCQ செலக்ட் பண்ணி இந்த மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். எப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ டைம் 1 ஹவருக்கு மேலே கிடைக்குமோ அப்போது இந்த ரிவைஸ்டு மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டை எழுதுங்க. இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு பென்னும் பேப்பரும் கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணும்போது கொஸ்டின் நம்பரும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரும் போட்டுக்கிட்டால் போகிறோம். இதோட ஆன்சர் கடைசி பேஜில் இருக்குது. அதை முதல்ல பார்த்துட வேண்டாம், கடைசியாக நீங்களே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், ஃபிக்ஸட் காஸ்ட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ நோன் ஆஸ் ஏ ஸ்பெஷல் காஸ்ட், பி டைரக்ட் காஸ்ட், சி prime cost, D overhead cost. Second one, when a firm is in equilibrium, its output is such that A cost per unit of output is lowest, B total profits are greater, C total cost are lowest, D profit per unit of output is greater. Third question, the eyes and ears of business is A marketing of goods, B functions of marketing, C commerce and trade, D commerce and industry. Fourth question, one of the major tasks of marketing management is A producing meaningful heterogeneity, B dealing with various people, C establish distribution channels, D researching foreign marketing system. Fifth one, a multilateral treaty that lays down agreed rules for conducting international trade is called as A. WTO, B. GATE, C. TRIM, D. TRIP. Sixth question. Pricing decision is influenced by A. Cost, B. Pricing objective, C. Demand, D. All of these. Seventh question. The price is fixed at full number under A. Odd pricing, B. Psychological pricing, C. Price lining, D. Prestige pricing. Eighth one. Which one is not an external source of finance? A. Public deposits, B. Factoring, C. Leasing, D. Surplus from disposable of old assets. Ninth one. A company has A. Nationality, B. Citizenship, C. Both nationality and residence, D. Residence. Tenth question. The bank is bound to make payment to the court or to the judgment creditor only after receipt of A. Order of attachment, B. Order absolute, C. Order missed, D. Prohibitory order. 11th one. Exim Bank of India was established in the year A. 1964, B. 1976, C. 1980, D. 1982. Twelfth one. Which one of the following is not concerned with the valuation of goodwill? A. Earning capacity method, B. Super profit method. C. Average profit method. D. Annuity method. 13. How much deduction of preliminary expenses shall be allowed? A. Actual expenditure incurred, or 5% of cost of a project, or 5% of cost of capital employed of a company, whichever is more. B. Actual expenditure incurred, or 5% of cost of a project, or 5% of cost of capital employed of a company, whichever is less. C. Rupees 1 lakh. D. Up to rupees 5 lakhs. 14. What is the objective of cost volume profit analysis, CVP analysis? A. To know the relationship between profit, cost and volume. B. It is useful in setting up cash budget to indicate cost at various levels of activity. C. To assist in the calculation of goodwill for the purpose of control. D. To know the amount of overhead cost to be charged to product cost of various levels of operations. (15) Dividing a market into distinct groups of buyers is known as dash. A. Market positioning. B. Market segmentation. C. Market division. D. Consumer needs division. 16. Assets easily convertible into cash are called A. Fixed assets. B. Liquid assets. C. Floating assets. D. Current assets. 17. Share premium is a A. Revenue receipt. B. Capital receipt. C. Deferred revenue receipt. D. Revenue loss. 18. TDS certificate shall be issued by the deductor to deductee in the form dash. A. Form 26. B. Form 26 AS. C. Form 16. D. Form 1. 19. Dividend received by the shareholder. A. Taxable. B. Exempted. C. Partly taxable. D. None of these. 20. The costing method in which fixed factor overheads are added in inventory is A. Direct costing. B. Marginal costing. C. Absorption costing. D. Unit costing. 21. Advertising appeals make people to use such articles as might affect their health. It is A. Social objection. B. Ethical objection. C. Historical objection. D. Economic objection. 22nd. Opportunity cost helps in A. Ascertainment of cost. B. Controlling cost. C. Managerial decision. D. Ascertainment of profit. 23rd. IMF utilizes funds from A. Member countries' gold. B. Member countries' deposit money. C. USA funds. D. Member countries' asset. 24th, the Expenditure Reforms Commission was set up by the government under the chairmanship of Dash. A. John Mathai, B. M. Govinda Rao, C. K. P. Geeta Krishnan, D. R. Chellayya. 25th, the external sources of cash is A. Issue of new shares, B. Buyback shares, C. Issue of bonus shares, D. Issue of duplicate shares. 26th, the philosophy of marketing is the philosophy of A. Buyer's service, B. Seller's service, C. Consumer's service, D. Dealer's service. 27th, push blend and pull blend, these words are distinct types of A. Sales blends, B. Promotion blends, C. Planning blends, D. Advertising blends. 28th, gross annual value of self-occupied house property is taken as A. Rupees 1 lakh, B. Rupees 2 lakh, C. Nil, D. Guideline value. 29th, the highest administrative authority of income tax is A. CBDT, B. Finance Ministry, C. PMO office, D. President of India. 30. The balance of trade is also known as A. Capital transfer, B. Gain from trade. C. The visible balance. D. Foreign trade. (31) The company secretary is answerable to the A. Directors, B. Shareholders, C. Promoters, D. Registrar. 32. An incorporated company is A bar an A. Natural person, B. Artificial person, C. Firm, D. Cooperative society. 33. All theories of buyer behavior have been primarily based on dash model, namely stimulation response or SR model. A. Exposure model, B. Learning model, C. Distortion model, D. Retention model. 34. Buyers are offered a wide range of product to choose from is called dash. A. Window display, B. Interior display, C. Showrooms, D. Exhibitions. 35. The terms of trade is the name given to A. Unilateral trade agreement between countries, B. The excess of imports over exports, C. The relationship between price of imports and price of exports, D. Bilateral agreements. 36. Frederick K.J. MacDonald established A. Sainik schools, B. Community schools, C. Mobile schools, D. Public schools. 37. The interval between two annual general meetings should not be more than A. 12 months, B 15 months, C 18 months, D 20 months. 38. In BOP, the RBI's holding in terms of foreign currency and special drawing rights are called A. Private capital, B. Official capital, C. Banking capital, D. Capital outflow. 39. Increase imports consequent upon high aggregate demand is A. Development disequilibrium, B. Cyclical disequilibrium, C. Secular disequilibrium, D. Structural disequilibrium. 40. WTO started functioning from the year A. 1991, B. 1992, C. 1995, D. 1998. 41. Fixed shop retailers do not include A. Specialty shops, B. General shop, C. Street stall holders, D. Itinerants. 42. Prevention of Food and Adulteration Act was passed in the year A. 1953, B. 1954, C. 1973, D. 1943. 43. Which is an example of outdoor advertising? A. Press advertising, B. Television advertising, C. Internet advertising, D. Advertising boards. 44. changes in an individual behavior due to information and experience is called as A. Attitudes, B. Learning, C. Personality, D. All of these. 45. Payments to and by a country of debts is called as A. Balance of payment on current account, B. Balance of payment on capital account, C. SDR, D. External assistance. 46. The main objective of cost accounting is A. Ascertainment of cost, B. Fixation of selling price, C. Presentation of cost data to management, D. All of the above. 47. The mother of modern marketing is A. Economics, B. Commerce, C. Accountancy, D. Statistics. 48. Comparing the attributes of two or more brands of advertising is called dash. A. Persuasive advertisement, B. Informative advertisement, C. Reminder advertisement, D. Inducing advertisement. 49. The physical means whereby a manufacturer of goods or utilities or a provider of service tells the consumer about his product or services is called dash. A. Advertising media, B. Advertising copy, C. Advertising budget, D. Advertising agency. 50. Which of the following is not profitability ratio. A. Inventory turnover. B. Gross margin. C. Expenses ratio. D. ROI. 51. Statistics can be considered as A. An art. B. Science. C. Both A and B. D. Neither art nor science. 52. A budget which is prepared incorporating the summary of all the functional budgets is called A. Cash budget. B. Master budget. C. Sales budget. D. Production budget. 53. How will treat uncalled capital in liquidation? A. Should not be treated as an asset. B. Should be treated as an asset. C. Should not be treated as a liability. D. Should be treated as liability. 54. The exporters, after earning the foreign exchange, have to surrender it to the RBI is a dash measure of correction of disequilibrium. A. Automatic. B. Monetary. C. Trade. D. Miscellaneous. 55. Which of the following is advantageous for investment of foreign capital in India? A. It brings larger industrial profits. B. It reduces our imports. C. It expands our exports. D. It brings in new technical know-how. 56. When figures relating to different years are compared, the type of analysis is called as A. External analysis. B. Internal analysis. C. Horizontal analysis. D. Vertical analysis. 57. Cash credit is an example of A. Fixed deposit. B. Long-term liability. C. Current liability. D. Current asset. 58. MBO means A. Management by opportunity. B. Management by obligation. C. Management by objection. D. Management by objective. 59. Oldest form of organization is A. Staff. B. Lion. C. Committee. D. Project. 60. Expand the term ROI. A. Return on investment. B. Right on investment. C. Return on industry. D. Right on issue. 61. Bank loans granted to small borrowers like artisans, farmers, small industries are called A. Term loans. B. Bridge loans. C. Composite loans. D. Consumption loans. 62. The most important function of RBI is A. Exchange management and control. B. Credit control. C. Financing commercial bank. D. Providing agricultural finance. 63. Consumer Protection Day is celebrated on A. 26 January. B. 26 February. C. 26 March. D. 15 March. 64. The first web advertisement was placed on A. October 1994. B. October 1992, C. January 1996, D. October 2010. 65. Which of the following is not a direct tax? A. Income tax, B. Property tax, C. GST, D. House tax. 66. The premium of redemption of preference shares can be provided out of A. Insurance fund, B. Securities premium, C. Forfeited shares, D. Depreciation reserve. 67. The primary users of management accounting information are A. Government, B. Managers, C. Investors, D. Researchers. 68. The transactions are recorded assuming that the business will exist for a longer period of time is called A. Periodicity concept, B. Matching concept, C. Going concern concept, D. Dual aspect concept. 69. The concept considered money as a common denominator is called A. Dual aspect concept, B. Matching concept, C. Historical cost concept, D. Money measurement concept. 70. Which is not component of time series? A. Secular trend, B. Seasonal variations, C. Cyclical variations, D. Growth. 71. Which is not an outdoor advertising? A. Mural advertising. B. Sandwich advertising. C. Sky advertising. D. Press media. 72. Which of the following will constitute unfair trade practice? A. Misleading advertisement. B. Hoarding of goods. C. Offering gifts. D. All of these. '73. Capital expenditure generally involves A. Large amount. B. Small amount. C. Less amount. D. Meager amount. '74. The angle between sales line and total cost line is called as A. Margin of safety. B. Angle of incidence. C. PV ratio. D. Fixed cost. '75. Capitalism and socialism are dash. A. Study of economics. B. Economic values. C. Alternate forms of an economy. D. Economic decisions. '76. Which one of the following institutions providing finance to industrial sector was the first to be set up? A. IRCI. B. IFCI. C. ICICI. D. IDBI. '77. Which one of the following is not a speculator in the stock exchange? A. Brokers. B. Bull. C. Bear, D. Stag. 78. Which is an outdoor advertising media? A. Sandwich men, B. Television, C. Radio, D. Film. 79. Consumerism is a bar an A. Industrial movement, B. Physical movement, C. National movement, D. Social movement. 80. For short-term loans granted for seasonal agricultural operations, regional rural banks may avail refinance to the extent of dash. A. 20% from sponsor banks, B. 50% from NABARD, C. Both A and B, D. 25% from sponsor bank and NABARD. 80. The remuneration payable to directors cannot exceed 11% of A. Net profit, B. Gross profit, C. Profit before tax, D. Total profit. 82. A director must A. Be an individual, B. Be competent to contract, C. Hold a share qualification, D. All of these. 83. Evaluation of venture capital investment made not on the basis of quoted market price but through more reliable informed sources is dash. A. Market value, B. Quoted market value, C. Fair market value, D. Unquoted movement price value. 84. Sources of capital that provide high risk capital for early stage and growth stage companies in various industries. A. development and financial institutions. B. Government grants. C. Initial public offers. D. Venture capitalist. 85. What is the minimum age limit to be a director? A. 16 years. B. 18 years. C. 21 years. D. None of these. '86. Who is considered as the father of consumer movement? A. John F. Kennedy. B. Ralph Nader. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Abraham Lincoln. '87. Export procedure begins with A. Indent. B. Shipping order. C. Consular invoice. D. Marine insurance. '88. When operating time is not lost, maximum production capacity of a plant is its dash. A. Practical capacity. B. Normal capacity. C. Theoretical capacity. D. Capacity based on sales expectancy. '89. The scheme sale of shed and plots accomplished by dash. A. SIDBI. B. ICICI. C. IDBI. D. SIDC. '90. When India became independent, it was a dash economy. A. Highly developed. B. Moderately developed. C. Developing. D. Underdeveloped. '91. To prevent recurrence of scam in Indian capital market, the Government of India has assigned regulatory powers to A. SEBI, B. RBI, C. SBI, D. ICICI. 92. Bank rate implies the rate of interest A. Paid by RBI on the deposit of commercial bank, B. Charged by banks on loans and advances, C. Payable on bonds, D. At which RBI rediscounts the bills of exchange. '93. Capital market refers to A. Money market, B. Stock market, C. Foreign exchange market, D. All of these. 94. Which is not a method used to analyze the financial statement? A. Fund flow analysis, B. Cash flow analysis, C. Ratio analysis, D. FIFO. 95. The order of priority in paying off debts in a winding up shall be as follows. A. Equity shareholders, B. Cost of goodwill, C. Preference capital, D. Unsecured creditors. 96. Financial statements are essentially based on A. Accrual basis, B. Going concern assumption, C. Consistency, D. Matching concept. 97. The coefficient of correlation A has no limits, B can be less than 1, C can be more than 1, D varies between plus or minus 1. 98. Expand DIN, DIN. A. District index numbers. B. Directors identification numbers. C. Digital identification numbers. D. Direct identification numbers. $99. The fee for the preparation of a market study payable to TCO would be subsidized by IFCI dash. A. 75% of the cost. B. 65% of the cost. C. 85% of the cost. D. 50% of the cost. $100. Which does not come under asset from the following? A. Investments. B. Prepaid insurance. C. Debtors. D. Creditors. இப்போது உங்கள் கையில் ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டு இருக்குது. நீங்கள் என்ன எழுதியிருக்கீங்களோ அதெல்லாம் இருக்குது. இப்போது ஆன்சர் இதில் போட்டிருக்கோம். ஒன்று ஒன்றா படிக்கிறேன், கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. எதெல்லாம் ரைட்டாக இருக்கோ டிக் அடிச்சுக்கோங்க. 1D 2C 3B 4C 5B 6D 7B 8D 9C 10B 11D 12D 13A 14A 15B 16B 17B 18C 19A 20C 21B 22C 23B 24C 25A 26C 27B 28C 29A 30C 31A, 32B, 33B, 34D, 35C, 36A, 37B, 38B, 39C, 40C, 41D, 42B, 43D, 44B, 45B, 46D, 47A, 48A, 49A, 50A, 51C, 52B, 53A, 54B, 55D, 56C, 57C, 58D, 59B, 60A, 61C, 62B, 63D, 64A, 65C, 66B, 67B, 68C, 69D, 70D, 71D, 72D, 73A, 74B, 75C, 76B, 77A, 78A, 79D, 80C, 81C, 82D, 83C, 84D, 85C, 86B, 87A, 88C, 89D, 90D, 91A, 92D, 93D, 94D, 95D, 96A, 97D, 98B, 99A, 100D. இப்போது நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ ரைட்டாக எழுதியிருக்கீங்கன்னு பாருங்கள். எவ்வளோ டோட்டலாக வருதுன்னு சொல்லிவிட்டு கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. அப்போ தான் உங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸையும் நான் பார்க்க முடியும். அதே மாதிரி நான் ஏதாவது சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கணுமா அப்படிங்கிறதையும் நான் பார்க்க முடியும், அனலைஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்கு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும் நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.